Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, July 13th. We had some positive, news and outlook when it comes to the markets. You can see it reflected here in the NASDAQ market. China had some positive news coming out of there in terms of inflows to their market. Greece situation, at least they've submitted something that no one has said no to yet. So that's a positive outlook. And also the Fed. The U.S. Fed has said things that I don't think anything new, but it also gives the idea of where they think the economy is in the United States. The follow through here on Monday is really dependent on the outcome of Greece. If we get that, a positive outcome, expect a fairly dramatic day on Monday. Let's move on over to the currencies. And the euro did firm up on the news that we were just talking about, and so did the British pound. It traded above its bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in the British pound is $2,125. Over here in our friend Mr. Yen, it also did the same thing. It traded below its bearish level, and the difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market was $1,437.50. I look for a quiet day or further movement to the downside, again depending on what happens with Greece. In the interest rate markets, they backed off as they should. I look for further movement to the downside. I am bearish on those markets. Gold, I look for a sideways move. I don't look for any dramatic moves to the upside for Monday. And crude oil, I feel the same way. However, crude oil did trade above its bullish level. And the difference between that bearish and bullish level in crude oil is $4,000 per contract. To give you an idea of that magnitude of change, I look for a sideways move on Monday. And I also look for some weakness when it comes to soybeans. Not a dramatic move down, but for them to back off a bit, I think would make sense. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.